Hello, welcome to this ninth episode on qualities of a good citizens. In my earlier tutorials, I have covered the 8 very important qualities of good citizens and link to those all 8 tutorials you'll find in the description box below. आप सबका स्वागत है। यह हमारा 9वां पार्ट है ऑन क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ गुड सिटीजन्स और उसके पहले मैंने 8 ट्यूटोरियल्स बना लिए हैं और वो सारे 8 ट्यूटोरियल्स 8 डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ गुड सिटीजन के ऊपर है और उन सब का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। इन टुडेज ट्यूटोरियल इन द 9th part of the qualities of the good citizens, we are going to talk about a 9th quality of a good citizen, and that is be well rounded citizen. तो फिर चलिए शुरू करते हैं the 9th important quality of the good citizen, and that is be well rounded. A well rounded person is better at creative problem solving and innovation than a person who is not well rounded. This is very, very important, that any well rounded person, in short we call him all rounder in a simple term, or all rounder person is always a handy for any society, for any group of citizens, as well as for any state, because a well rounded person or an all rounder person always have this idea of creativity when it comes to solving the problem, as well as the one who always comes with innovation, innovating new ideas for the welfare of the society. And therefore every citizen must be well rounded, or in simple term must be all rounded personality. So following are some of the most important qualities. First, they are well read. Yes, the very first quality for any well-rounded citizen is that he or she should be well-read personality. The one who reads a lot, not only just newspaper or some story books, but the one who keeps himself up to the date about the things which are happening around the society, around the world, will always have an edge over anybody who's not well-rounded. And therefore the first quality to become a well-rounded personality is that you should be well-read person. जब हम well-rounded personality की बात करते हैं या all-rounder personality की बात करते हैं, तब हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि ये क्वालिटी बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है किसी भी सोसाइटी के लिए, किसी भी सिटीजन्स के लिए पर्टिकुलरली, बिकॉज अगर कोई भी बंदा अगर वो all-rounded है, उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन है, उसको नॉलेज है, देन ये पर्सन हमेशा एक एसेट बनता है सोसाइटी के लिए या स्टेट के लिए. और टू बिकम दैट ऑल राउंडेड पर्सनालिटी, आपको जो चीज़ बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो है आपका पढ़ाई करने का तरीका, और वो है ऑल अबाउट योर हाउ वेल यू हैव बीन रीडिंग द थिंग्स विच आर हैपनिंग अराउंड यू. आपके पास कितनी नॉलेज है, आप कितना पढ़ते हो, आपने क्या पढ़ा है, मैटर्स अ लॉट. बिकॉज जब हम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, जब हम कोई ऑटोबायोग्राफी पढ़ते हैं, या कोई जब हम बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, ये बुक्स हमेशा हमारे दिमाग को एक आइडियाज़ प्रदान करते हैं. और इसीलिए अगर आप अच्छे पढ़े लिखे होंगे, अगर आप हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ते रहते हो, ऑनलाइन ले लो या फिर न्यूज़पेपर ले लो, और इवन इन लाइब्रेरी फॉर दैट मैटर, इफ़ यू रीड अ लॉट, then definitely that will help your mind to develop more ideas, because we can always learn something from our society, and especially to those people who have achieved something in their life. And if you read about them, then you can always come up with the new ideas. So that's the first point to be a all-rounded personality or all-rounded citizen, that is you must be a well-read. And the second very important point is well-rounded person is always cultured. Very, very important. Whenever we talk about a well-rounded person, whenever we talk about all-rounder person. You will see that he or she is well cultured. He or she knows exactly what his or her duty or responsibility in society. He or she would know how to take care of a younger one as well as how to take care of old people. You'll see that he's well cultured and well manners. Now, when we say well cultured, that means he knows exactly how to behave in different situations, how to be a polite, how to be a good citizen, how to take respect, how to give respect. This is how the cultured person is. He or she cannot be someone who is not uneducated. Sometimes we do find that even educated people doesn't know how to behave with other individual, and therefore well-rounded person citizen is a one who's always a cultured citizen. जब हम वेल राउंडेड पर्सनैलिटी की बात करते हैं तब हमेशा हमें यह याद रखना चाहिए कि और वेल राउंडेड पर्सन हमेशा वो होता है, वो एक बहुत कल्चरली इन्फ्लुएंस पर्सन होता है. जब हम कल्चरल इन्फ्लुएंस पर्सन बोलते हैं मतलब ये नहीं कि वो अपना ही कल्चर लेके बैठता है, बट ही नोज़ हाउ टू बिहेव इन सोसाइटी. उसको पता है कि जब वो सोसाइटी में घूमता है, जब वो सोसाइटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, तो उसका स्वभाव, उसका अभाव, उसका जो बोलने का तरीका वो बहुत लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर देता है. और जिस तरीके से वो एक इंसान का ख्याल रखता है, भले वो छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, उसको एक इंसानियत की नज़रों से देखता है, तो उससे हम कहते हैं कि ये पर्सन वेल कल्चर्ड है. ना कि कोई बंदा जो अनाप शनाप या गाली गलौज करता हो, वो कभी वेल कल्चर्ड पर्सन नहीं हो सकता. इसलिए अ वेल कल्चर्ड पर्सन who respects everybody, male, female, old, younger one, who respect your culture, who respect your identity, is a very, very important asset for the society. So this is the second very important point. To be a good citizen, to be a well-rounded citizen, that you must be a well-cultured person. Third very important quality to become a well-rounded citizen is educated. Getting enough educated, getting well educated is one of the most important part of today's society. Again, let me say it, and I must have repeated this again and again in my various tutorials, that education is the most important part of our life. We must get well educated. Now, when I say we must get well educated, doesn't mean that everybody has to become doctors, engineers and scientists. Yes, if you have the quality, if you have the time and if you have the money, you should. But there are people who don't have these facilities. But having said this, they do educate themselves in whatever way, in whatever condition. It might be just basic, but that shows in their behavior. Because education should enlighten you. Education should set your mind free. Education should teach you what is your rights, what are your duties, and how one can be part of the society. Educated, well educated doesn't mean that a scientist knows everything. No. Well educated means a person who knows the value of education, which will help him, not only him, but which will help his community, his society to upgrade from the ashes to something which they have achieved altogether. And that is what education we are talking about. Education should be in such a way which can help us to maintain the balance in our society, balance in our environment, and therefore we need such educated people. जब हम वेल राउंडेड सिटीजनशिप की बात करते हैं तो शिक्षा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. अगर हर एक इंसान, भले वो कौन से भी स्टेट का हो, भले वो कौन से भी रीजन का हो, अगर उसको मिनिमम शिक्षा मिलती है तो ना कि वो सिर्फ अपना खुद का भला करता है, बल्कि वो अपनी कम्युनिटी का भी भला करता है, अपनी सोसाइटी का भी भला करता है, भले वो बेसिक एजुकेशन क्यों ना हो. बिकॉज दैट एजुकेशन विल ओपन हिज माइंड. अगर ऐसी शिक्षा सभी को मिले तो हर एक नागरिक अ वेल राउंडेड सिटीजन हो सकता है. So this is about the third very important qualities to become that well-rounded citizen. And the last very important point, which is very, very important to become a well-rounded citizen, is that one must develop not only their mental faculty but also their emotional, physical, and spiritual faculty. Very, very important. Beside being a well read, beside being a well cultured person, and beside being taken well education, what we need to develop is a mental faculty. Not only mental faculty but also emotional, physical, and spiritual faculty, because these are very, very important for any citizens to contribute back to their society, to uplift its own society, its his own community for that matter. And therefore development of that mental faculty is a very, very important part of being a good citizens of any society. So therefore the focus of a well-rounded personality or well-rounded, yeah, all-rounded citizen should be on development of a mental faculty, emotional, physical, and spiritual faculty. So this was all about the ninth part of the qualities of a good citizen, that is, one must be a well-rounded or all-rounded citizens. In next tutorial, in fact the last tutorial, would be on understanding the corners of the world. Till then, take care.